Summer is here and honestly the last thing anyone wants to do is stand in a hot kitchen. So today we're making 3 super refreshing no-cook summer salads that are light, hydrating and packed with flavor. Let's start with something fun and vibrant, kiwi salad. Begin by chopping 1 fresh kiwi and adding it to a bowl. To this add some boiled corn and boiled beetroot. Give everything a quick toast so the colors and textures start coming together. Now for the dressing, this is where the magic happens. In a small bowl, mix honey, mustard sauce, sriracha and a little olive oil. Stir it well until it's smooth and glossy. Pour this over the salad and toast everything really well so each bite is coated in that sweet, tangy and slightly spicy flavor. Next, add some chopped nuts and a few more pieces of kiwi for extra freshness. Give it one final mix. For a fun presentation, take kiwi shells and fill them with the salad. Garnish with chopped kiwi on top and your kiwi salad is ready. Next up, a classic summer favorite, watermelon salad. Start by cutting watermelon into long slices. Remove the skin and chop it into bite-sized cubes. Now let's make a flavor-packed dressing. For this, take some almonds, garlic cloves, honey, olive oil, pepper powder, salt, chili flakes, oregano and a squeeze of lemon juice. Grind everything into a smooth, slightly thick dressing. To assemble, place some fresh lettuce leaves on a plate, add your watermelon cubes, drizzle generously with the dressing and finish with some crumbled feta cheese. It's fresh, juicy, slightly creamy and perfect for hot days. Finally, let's make a crunchy fruit salad that's loaded with textures. Start by chopping an apple into small pieces and place it in a bowl. Now add a little lime juice to keep it fresh and prevent a browning. Now add chopped orange, papaya, strawberries, green grapes, black grapes and pomegranate seeds. For that crunch, add boiled corn, roasted peanuts and watermelon seeds. Finish it off with fresh mint leaves and a pinch of salt, a drizzle of honey and some balsamic reduction. Mix everything well so all the flavors come together beautifully. And there you have it, a colorful, crunchy fruit salad that's sweet, tangy and incredibly refreshing. 3 no-cook salads, minimal effort and maximum summer vibes. Which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.